Hi, I'm Abby J, and I grew up in a small town in North Georgia on the Sequoia River where farming was a way of life. My husband and I own and operate Black Hawk Fly Fishing. And today I am the creator of Abby J's Gourmet. It is a full line of tailgating products you can find in your local Ingles deli. And now, thanks to Ingles, today we'll be making my 7-layer taco dip. For a full list of the ingredients, be sure to visit inglestable.com. You can print out a list and take it with you, or pull it up on your smartphone when you arrive at the store. Now let's get cooking. I just got back from Ingles and it's tailgating season and it's my favorite time of the year. And what I've got today is one of my favorites. It's a 7-layer salad and we're gonna get started. What you wanna do is get some lean ground beef and mix it with some taco seasoning. And that'll be our first layer today in this ball jar. Ball jars is wonderful. They make so many different sizes in these jars and you can create so many recipes, but this is one of my favorites. And the next step is my Abby J's bean and jalapeno salsa. You can find this also in the deli at Ingles, and we're going to take just another little scoop, about 1/4 of a cup, and add that as your second layer. Wow, that smells so fresh. And you know, the last time I made this, it was at a Georgia football game and everybody went crazy. So anyway, the third layer, you're going to have some corn. This is some frozen corn. I just warmed this up. It adds some really pretty color here. And then I got some romaine lettuce in your produce section. Really got great selection in the produce section at Ingles. And then what we have is some pepper jack cheese. This cheese is going to give it some kick. And you know, we need a lot of kick in this tailgating season. Go Georgia, you know? So the last 2 items is so fresh. It's fresh tomatoes and we have some chopped red bell peppers. You can do other things in this jar. If you like sour cream, if you like a chipotle ranch dressing, you can also put that on top, but it's easy. All you have to do is screw the cap on, put it in the cooler, and there you have it. And that's it, folks. I want to thank you so much for joining us here at the Ingles table. Remember, you can find all these ingredients along with some great recipes here right at the Ingles table. Until next time, I'll see you online.